Hi, this is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you the single crochet. This is probably the first crochet stitch you'll ever learn how to do. It's also one of the stitches you'll need to know for my Seymour Hat tutorial, which is a free tutorial available on my YouTube channel. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is insert our hook into the stitch. If you look at the top of your work, you can see your loops here. You have a front loop and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop. If you're looking at it from the front, you can see these big holes here. Here's your first stitch, your next stitch, your next stitch. So we're going to take our hook, insert it into our next stitch. You can see we're working under both of these loops here. Yarn over, and as I'm pulling my hook through, I turn it so I catch my wool. So pull through, and you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over. Once again, as I'm pulling through, I'm turning my hook, and I'm going to pull through both loops on my hook to finish my single crochet. Let's try that again. Find your next stitch. You can see this big hole here, or you can look at it from the top. You can see you have a front loop and a back loop. Let's insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over. As we're pulling through, turn your hook to catch that wool, and you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete your single crochet. Let's do this just one more time. Find your next stitch, that big hole there. If you look at from the top, your front loop and your back loop. Insert your hook, yarn over. As you're pulling your hook through, turn to catch the wool. I have two loops on my hook. Yarn over, turn your hook to catch the yarn and pull through both loops to complete your single crochet. If you like this video and like to see more, please check out my YouTube channel.